while the rest of the country sleeps. From the mines to the lines that stretch out wide, there's a quiet strength you can't deny. It's a lifeline running through these lands, built by callous working hands. And Mount Piper stands where the fire burns strong, keeping this country moving on through the coldest nights and the hottest days. Power flows in 1,000 ways. It's the heartbeat of the grid, can't let it fall. Lighting up homes from the bush to the sprawl. Yeah, base load power standing tall. Mount Piper keeps the lights on for us all. Oh, yeah, times are changing, the winds may shift. New roads ahead, new dreams to live. But don't forget where the backbone lies, in the sparks beneath these skies. When the demand climbs high and the sun goes down, this old town still powers the towns. Lithgow hums in the day.